Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh yeah. You guys could take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. Get one of these in no time. And let's see what it is, guys. It is the, third? So we got 22 days still. Good old Santa Claus to be coming down our chimneys. So you guys might want to add this to your wish list. And let's see what it is. Dreaming of something. Oh boy. Something heavy. What are these little bonuses? Ooh. Okay. I know what those are. Alright. Here we go, guys. And now, I think this might be a two-parter. Let me check. Let me double check. Yes, it is. Alright. So, coming from over and... oh, here it is. This is the one. We got Prismacolor Premiere. Oh, yes. All you cartoonists, animationic. I can't even say it. You guys can check these guys out. Manga colors, 12 count. We got the PM72, PM1, PM156, PM167, PM144, PM39, PM78, PM171, PM208, PM14, PM17, and PM65. Also try markers, magneto, artwork. I wish I could draw like that. Definitely crazy. I've seen so much talent out on Instagram. A lot of great people out there. So definitely check the links will be down below. We got the markers. I'm going to open it up. See what this is all about. Hope everyone have a great holiday season this is coming up. Everyone, I don't even know what I said. It's alright though. But try and get this thing open. Come on. There we go. Ooh, look at them. Oh yeah, all the colors right there. And also they sent these multi-volume set. Please do not separate. Alright. These are the 11 by 14, 24 sheets. 60. Alright. Do not separate those. I'm not going to draw nothing because, like I said, I could draw stick figures and some emojis I could draw, you know, but not anything like that. That is amazing. I wish I could draw like that, though. That is definitely really good. So we got all these great stuff over at Prismacolor on Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. Get this shipped to you in no time for the future artists out there. Like I said, my Fine Art America artwork will be down listed below. You guys could take a look at that. That's one of my mom's drawings she does. So this will help her out doing her drawings. You guys could take a look at her artwork. It'll be listed down below. It mean a lot to me. You guys check it out. So until then, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great night. And see you guys in the next video. Alrighty then.